Earlier this week, Google launched a new model called Gemini 2.0 Flash. So far, all the models that Google have launched were never of superior grade. All of them were oftenly made fun of. And but if we talk about this model on the other hand, it is well received. The biggest thing about this model is that this model is multimodal. So if I show you how it works, it can take text as an input. It can also see your screen, and it can also see your camera, and it gives you responses in real time. I recorded a quick video of using it with my mobile. Can you identify the objects on the table for me?
Certainly, I can see a laptop with the text "Speed defies gravity" on the screen, a monitor displaying a web page, a stack of books, a yellow book, and some cables on the table.
Do you identify this character?
Yes, the character is Luffy from One Piece.
Can you tell me something about him?
Sure. Luffy is a pirate with the ability to stretch like rubber, and he is the main character of the manga and anime series One Piece. His ambition is to find the legendary treasure called One Piece and become the king of the pirates.
Okay. When did One Piece end?
The One Piece manga and anime series are still ongoing, they have not ended yet.
Okay. Can you identify the books on the table for me?
Certainly, I can identify the books on the table. There is Kafka on the Shore by Haruki Murakami, Show Your Work by Austin Kleon, and a stack of books that includes Tools of Titans and Hacking Growth.
Can you identify the third book on the table now?
Sure, the third book on the table is Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson.
And from the three books that are just next to me, which one should I be reading if I want to improve my social media marketing?
Show Your Work and Expert Secrets would be the most helpful from those three for improving your social media marketing.
Okay,
Kafka on the Shore is an
okay, and what should I be expecting from both of these books?
Okay, from Show Your Work, you can expect to learn how to share your creative process and get discovered by building an audience. Expert Secrets will teach you how to turn your knowledge and expertise into a business and attract your audience.
Okay, thank you. It understands everything in real time, and it can hold a real conversation with you. So this is a big leap in terms of models, looking at all the objects in the real time as well. As you would have seen in the video, it can understand the books that I am reading, what is the title of the book, and context of all of them. This is something that none of the models right now, other than Gemini 2.0, can do. Apart from that, it is also good at coding. So if you look at this benchmarks over here, you will see that it has performed even better than Claude Sonnet 3.5, which is the best model out there right now. One of the reasons why this multimodal API is so interesting is because it unlocks the potential of creating a lot of apps that does not exist right now. Even if you look at this video that they put up on the
All right, we've got a Pixel phone loaded with the latest test build of Project Astra, and we're going to leave the office to test it around London.
So in this, they are actually using the API in an app that they built.
I've got this email with apartment info. Can you tell me the door code and remember it?
I'll remember the door code for you. It is 1170. To unlock it, enter the code and then press the unlock button.
Based on these symbols, how should I wash this?
The tag shows to machine wash at 30 degrees Celsius. Avoid bleach and tumble drying. Iron on low and dry cleanable.
Then what settings should I use on this machine?
Based on the laundry instructions of 30 degrees Celsius, select the 30 setting under Easy Care on the dial.
So as you see, this is something that breaks the limitations of the apps right now. Now you can just point your camera at anything and you can ask it that what should be the next steps. So that unlocks a new possibility of apps that can be built with it. So along with this documentation, they have also created a boilerplate that you can use if you would want to use this multimodal API in your apps. So this is the boilerplate that they created. You can use it directly within your projects. So what you can do is you can just copy this GitHub repo from here, and you can copy it to your local system. I'm on a cursor, so I will just come up here I will ask it to import this repo in my local system. So it gave me a cloning command. I will run this command on my system. So it has cloned the repo here. So I will just open up this folder. So I have this repo here which has the entire file. So I would want to use this. So I will open up a cursor window and I will ask it, help me use and run the attached repo. I will do this in a chat window so that it has context of the code base. So I would have to install some packages here. Let's start with it. npm install. Then I would need a .env folder. It's created now, and within it I would have to add my API key. So I will just go over here. I will add this. In Google AI Studio, you can get your API key. You can also get a free account. They are giving it free for a month. I can use any existing API keys from here. I will copy this. So once I've added this API key, then I have to run the development server. Okay, and now the code is working. Let me start the stream. Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How can I help?
Can you see what's on the screen?
Yes, I can see what's on the screen. It appears to be a code editor, possibly versus code, with a file explorer on the left and a chat interface on the right.
Got it. Can you help instruct on how I can use this boilerplate for building an app?
Sure, I can help with that. From what I can see, it looks like you're using a React boilerplate. To start, you would generally use the !npm start command, which should launch the application in your web browser.
Can you instruct me on how this function works, get element by ID?
Certainly, the document. Get element BYID function is a method in JavaScript that retrieves a specific element from the HTML document using its unique IID. It returns a reference to that element, or null if an element with a given ID doesn't exist.
So yeah, as you saw that, let me just pause it here. So as you can see, this boilerplate is working quite well. It is taking both audio inputs and video inputs as well. So you can build on top of it quite easily. I would be building out a couple of projects over this weekend, and I would be sharing the step-by-step process with you as well for doing it. But this is all about the API right now, and let me know what you are building in the comments.